friends, today we discuss some important differences in the manual testing, retesting and regression testing. First is how do you say? Whenever developer gives a build, checking or verifying whether the defect is fixed or not, it's called retesting. Okay, and whereas regression testing is nothing but the testing the unchanged feature to make sure that is not affected broken because of changes. Here changes mean adding or modifying, removing, deleting or fixing the defect. Okay, regression testing. Okay, so regression testing is nothing but the validate the impact of existing validate the impact on existing functionality because of new changes like adding, deleting and removing some changes in the code. That is nothing but the regression testing. Second is retesting is done for failed test case or bug fixes. Okay, whereas regression testing done for past test cases. Whenever new changes in or adding or deleting or removing in his code in the build, then we validate the impact on existing functionality. Okay, so we regression testing done for past test cases. Okay, and third is retesting is planned. Okay, regression testing is generic. Here we don't go for automation, whereas in regression testing here we go for automation. Okay, so that is the difference between the retesting and regression testing. Second main difference is like severity and priority. Okay, so priority refers to the project and how urgent it is solving the bugs, whereas severity refers to the bug and how it affects user interaction with the application. Okay, so severity is nothing but the or impact on the functionality. Okay, impact of the bug or a defect on functionality. Priority is nothing but the urgency to resolve the bug or a defect. Okay, so second is priority is set based on the changing project factors, the status of the bug and its importance customer side. Okay, and severity is objectively set based on the direct and indirect impact of the bug and its probability of occurrence. Okay, third is priority is dynamic field, should be revised and updated as the project progresses, whereas severity is usually a static field. Severity is usually static field. The only reason to modify it would be if we learn something new about the bug. Okay, priority is dynamic field, static is severity is usually static field. Okay, third is what is the difference between the error, defects and failures, and defects root causes and effects. Okay, so error, defects and failures, first is pressure, and defect, root causes and effects, customer complaints are effects. Okay, and second is error, defects and failures, like a misunderstanding about the intra system and inter system interfaces, especially when such inter system and inter system interaction are large in number, whereas defects, root causes and effects like incorrect interest payments. Okay, fourth difference is what is the difference between the positive testing and negative testing. So positive testing, it is nothing but we determine what the system is supposed to do. It helps to check whether the application is justifying the requirements or not. We check the application is working as expected with the requirement or not. Okay, whereas negative testing, it is determine what the system is not supposed to do. Okay, it helps to find the defects from the software. Okay, so this is the difference between the positive testing and negative testing. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for watching for more videos, and so stay positive, stay energetic and stay exploring in the manual testing and automation testing. So thank you, take care, bye bye.